Brian back here with a look at Popcat. This is the first time I've looked at this chart. I've had a few people ask me to take a look at it. We have something interesting going on in here. Okay, so we'll dig into this in just a second. I got some stuff to show you, the crypto bubbles. Yeah, there we go. Looks like Bitcoin could be doing an ABC right now, and then bouncing hopefully here. Kind of pulled a move on everybody. 300 million in liquidations over the last 24 hours. So a lot of people thought it was going to stop and bounce. Right, let me show you, including me. No question about it. I usually form a resistance. You come and back test it now as support. I apologize, that was for the Discord here. Let's get this off here. But everyone expected this thing to come up to this white line, to come back to it. I apologize. Let me show you. And bounce. Alright, on here you have this wedge pattern forming. Alright, you had resistance here. You had resistance here, 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 and it broke it. Usually it comes back to retest this prior resistance as a support level and bounces. Well, it just fell right through it. Now it's on the bottom part of half of this wedge, and we'll have to see what happens from here. Hopefully it's trying to make a retracement now. Hopefully the bottom came in here. We'll see what happens, but possibly, if it doesn't break through this 618, you're going to be looking at a big ABC. All right, back to maybe 55,000 bucks. The fear and greed index, we took a smack right in the teeth overnight. We were to 55, I believe it was 53 or 55, right back down to a 30. So talk about getting your knees knocked out from underneath you. That definitely happened, and it knocked a lot of people. 300 million in liquidations. That's pretty decent. They call me crypto president. Trump is selling more of his NFT cards to the MAGA faithful for 99 bucks. Trump is dangling a chance to dine with him at Mar-a-Lago for supporters who open their wallets for his NFTs. Donald Trump announced his trading cards are back by popular demand, this time with the theme America First. The new collection features 50 different NFT baseball cards, all depicting images of Trump as a man of absurd power, from him riding a motorcycle to dressed as a superhero to wearing American flag-colored boxing gloves. This is the fourth series of NFT cards Trump has released, which he says have generated millions of dollars with each launch. Millions and millions. These cards show me dancing and even holding some bitcoins, Trump said in an infomercial-style ad. So if you want one, you can get one for 99 bucks. Come with captions like greatest of all time, Super Trump, and Crypto President. The website for the cards states the NFTs are not political and have nothing to do with any political campaign, meaning Trump will pocket the proceeds. According to his 2022 financial disclosure, he made at least six figures from selling NFTs in 2022. All right, if you want to read this, go ahead and read it. But when he releases this coin, Trump announced a new crypto project called World Liberty Financial, linking to an official Telegram channel for the project. All right, the channel now has almost 50,000 subs, but little is known about the project itself. You can bet that this thing is going to go like crazy. Not financial advice, not financial advice, guys. All right, I got to say this stuff. Don't need sued, can't need sued. That would break me for sure. World Liberty Financial. Keep an eye out for that. You want to be on, you want to be on that. Like, I would be sleeping with my phone against my ear for an update on this, because you know how it goes. Trump has a big support group out there for sure. Me personally, I love him. Whatever, everybody got their own opinions and stuff, but I have nothing against Kamala Harris either. Love both of them. They're good. We'll see what happens. But anyway, we have Popcat. This is on the daily, coming down, bouncing back up right to a 702 Fibonacci, right to a rejection area. Right here, this yellow line. All right, that is a very crucial area to break for sure. Okay, a lot of times if you get rejected there, you end up doing you end up doing one of these. You have your A, A down, B up, and then C down. Okay, now if this does an A, B, C, say it gets rejected here, pull the A leg down on top of the B, that gives you a C leg target, which would be right about, right about 0.0, right about 6 cents. You know, if it gets rejected here, you're looking at an ABC correction. Now we got to look at some RSIs to see if it looks like it's going to be doing that or not. All right, let's put a price down there. And if you're interested in learning this stuff, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. $15, 15 measly dollars gets you all the videos to watch, 10 hours of them to teach how to do this stuff, and link to the Discord to come trade with us. All right, so. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I just look at charts and tell you what I believe is going on here, right? So, right about there. Now, if we get this ABC off here, let's look at the RSIs. See if they are pointing towards upward momentum or downward momentum. The daily is pointing down, starting to curve up on the bottom down here, though, right? So, don't count this out just yet. The daily is bearish, okay? The 12-hour, bearish, okay? You got it's heading down, 48 and 56. You can see here, there you go. You almost had a fake out there with that big green candle, almost an engulfing candle. You had an engulfing bearish candle right after, too. So you got the 12-hour heading down, the 8-hour. Right on the bottom at 10 and 8, technically bullish. Could be starting a 5-wave down pattern here. The 4-hour is bearish and heading down. Let's look at this. Yeah, you could be doing 5 waves down here. You get a 1, 2, big 3 wave, 4, 5. The big thing on this is this price up here, and you're going to want to see it close. Call it 8 cents. Yeah, 8 cents. If it goes higher than 8 cents, very good chance. This thing is going to go higher. Looks like it's going to make another push up here, quite honestly. Let's see here. Yeah, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave up. Let's take a look. If this is a 382 pullback, I don't know if I can long and short this thing on my Popcat thing or not, on my fair desk. That's perfect. If it can hold right here on this 382, and if it doesn't totally do a 5-wave down here and collapse, very, very good chance this pushes back up. 8 cents is the key number, okay? If it breaks 8 cents, then you're going to be looking at it heading to right about the 9 cent region. All right. You're right up in this area, but the blue line up here, 9 cents, okay? Now, like I said, 8 cents, very, very, very crucial area for this thing to take out. Now, if it holds up here, what I was looking at is Elliott waves normally come in sets of 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5-wave up to 9. But we'll see what happens. This thing is getting very, very overextended. Now, it looks like got a trend line through here. Oh yeah. Break through that. And yeah, you could definitely, could go higher than 9 then actually too. If you break through this resistance. You have an overhead resistance right now, right at 8 cents. Okay. So a break of 8, look for 9. If it gets rejected here, at the 702, it's right, right in that area where you're going to see there's a move coming one way or the other. Either it's heading to 6, all right, and it's getting rejected right now, or it's going to bounce down here and head up to 9. So keep an eye on 8 cents, guys. 8 cents is very crucial, and then we'll check back with it later. If it breaks out from here, $1.44 or 90 cents. I'm sorry, 90 cents would be the target, not 9 cents. A 1618 is at $1.44 if we get up through here. If we break through 84 cents, could be into $1.44. So keep your eye on Popcat, man. We have a trend line down here on the bottom of this yellow line. You definitely want to see it keep that for this upward momentum. But do we have a weekly RSI yet on this? I doubt it. No, we do. It's actually bullish, 24 and a 15, heading to the upside here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we'll see what happens. You can very clear, very clear. You know, break 8. Look for 9 coming in. Break through that upper half, 84. You know, then we're heading up in the dollar and some change area. Get rejected here, pulling back to 6 cents, and then working our way back up. So, Popcat, keep your eye on it. Thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.